This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if one silent Audi system is already deciding how much your next repair will cost, and you have absolutely no warning that it's happening? What if your car feels completely normal, drives smoothly, shows no error lights, yet is slowly building a failure that will end with a $1,500 repair bill? And what if the reason isn't a defect, abuse, or missed maintenance, but something your Audi is learning directly from the way you use it every single day? Most Audi owners believe expensive repairs start with warning lights. They don't. Modern Audi vehicles are designed to delay warnings for as long as possible. When a system begins operating outside ideal conditions, the car doesn't alert the driver. It adapts. That adaptation is what keeps the vehicle quiet, smooth, and premium. And that is exactly why the risk stays invisible. Audi control systems constantly monitor driver behavior, electrical load, operating temperatures, and usage patterns. When conditions are less than ideal, the system compensates instead of complaining. Power delivery is softened. Response is filtered. Components work harder behind the scenes to maintain stability. To the driver, nothing feels wrong. But inside the vehicle, stress is being redistributed. This is the point where long-term damage begins. Not because something is broken, but because multiple systems are now compensating at the same time. Control modules cycle more frequently. Actuators move more often than intended. Electrical systems operate under constant correction. None of this triggers a warning light, because technically, the system is still functioning as designed. The problem is that compensation has a cost. Over time, parts that were designed to operate occasionally begin operating constantly. Heat increases. Voltage stability becomes critical. Small deviations that would normally be harmless start stacking together. This is why Audi repairs often feel sudden and expensive. The failure didn't happen that day. It finished that day. Here's what most owners never realize. Audi systems don't just respond to conditions. They learn from patterns. If your daily driving teaches the car that smoothness, comfort, and low demand are the priority, the vehicle will continuously reinforce that behavior. When demand suddenly changes, the system is no longer operating in its optimal range. And that mismatch accelerates wear. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why this specific Audi system quietly determines how much you'll pay in repairs, why it never warns you early, and what subtle signs appear long before the failure becomes expensive. Before we go any further, if you own an Audi and want to avoid costly repairs that appear without warning, this is exactly why this channel exists. Subscribe now. Every episode breaks down how Audi systems really behave over time, how they learn from daily habits, and how owners can reduce long-term repair risk without tuning myths or unnecessary workshop visits. Now let's continue, because in the next part we'll identify the exact Audi system involved, explain how it begins compensating silently, and show why most owners unknowingly push it toward failure without ever realizing it.
Now that you understand how Audi systems silently adapt instead of warning you, it's time to identify the specific system that quietly determines how expensive your next repair may be. This is not a single fragile part or a hidden defect. It is the interaction between Audi's adaptive power management, throttle logic, and electrical load control working together as one learning system. Every modern Audi relies on centralized control modules that constantly balance engine response, transmission behavior, charging strategy, and electrical demand. These modules observe how the car is used day after day. Gentle acceleration, short trips, frequent idling, constant comfort system usage, and low-load driving all become part of the vehicle's learned profile. Audi's system is designed to interpret these patterns as intent. When low demand becomes consistent, the vehicle begins prioritizing smoothness and efficiency even more aggressively. Throttle response is softened further. Torque delivery is filtered earlier. Transmission logic favors upshifts sooner and holds lower engine load whenever possible. To the driver, the car feels calm, refined, and premium. Nothing feels wrong. At the same time, the electrical side of the vehicle is compensating continuously. Climate control, heated seats, steering assistance, infotainment, driver assistance systems, and battery management all draw power constantly. especially during short or stop-and-go trips. To maintain voltage stability, the system increases corrective behavior. The alternator works harder. Voltage regulation becomes more aggressive. Control modules cycle more frequently. This is where long-term wear accelerates. Components that were designed to operate intermittently begin operating constantly. Heat increases gradually, not enough to trigger warnings, but enough to reduce lifespan. Actuators adjust more often. Control units manage tighter tolerances. The system is still working, but it is no longer operating in its ideal efficiency window. Here is the critical mistake most Audi owners make. They assume that because the car feels smooth and quiet, it is under less stress. In reality, the opposite is often true. Refinement is achieved through compensation, and compensation always has a cost. When driving patterns suddenly change, such as harder acceleration, longer trips, or increased load, the system struggles to adapt quickly. It has already learned a different baseline. This is why Audi repairs often feel unfair. There was no warning, no noise, no obvious symptom, but the system had been working harder than it should for months or even years. This mismatch forces even more correction. Over time, that correction compounds until one component reaches its limit. When that happens, the failure appears sudden, even though the process began long before. In the next part, we'll break down the specific everyday habits that teach this system the wrong lessons, explain why Audi never alerts you while it's happening, and show the early signs most drivers miss completely.
At this stage, the most important thing to understand is that Audi systems always leave evidence of compensation, even when no warning lights are present. The challenge is that this evidence is subtle and easy to ignore unless you know exactly what to look for. Audi does not communicate stress through noise, vibration, or obvious malfunction. It communicates stress through inconsistency. One of the earliest signs is changing throttle behavior. The car may feel responsive one day and slightly muted the next, even under similar conditions. Acceleration may feel smoother but less immediate. This is not imagination, and it is not normal aging. It is the system actively adjusting output to protect itself based on learned patterns. Another signal appears in transmission behavior. Gear changes may become overly soft, delayed, or hesitant in situations where the car previously responded instantly. Again, nothing feels broken. There is no harshness, no clunking, no alert. But the system is filtering demand more aggressively than it should. Electrical behavior provides even stronger clues. Modern Audi vehicles depend heavily on stable voltage. When the system compensates continuously, voltage recovery becomes inconsistent. You may notice small changes in start-stop behavior, accessory response, or system readiness. These are not faults. They are signs that the vehicle is managing energy defensively. The most dangerous assumption Audi owners make is believing that smoothness equals health. In reality, smoothness is often the result of constant correction. The vehicle is working harder so that you don't feel anything at all. Over time, that hidden effort accelerates wear across multiple components at once. This is why failures often appear unrelated. One owner experiences a transmission issue. Another sees an electrical fault. Another faces a drivability problem. The common cause is not the failed part. It is the environment in which all those parts have been operating. What makes this especially costly is that Audi systems rarely reset themselves naturally. Once a compensated behavior becomes the learned baseline, the vehicle continues reinforcing it. Normal driving alone is often not enough to restore ideal operating conditions. This is the moment where awareness changes everything. When owners recognize these subtle patterns early, they can intervene before damage becomes permanent. Sometimes the solution is as simple as correcting usage patterns. Other times it involves confirming system behavior through a basic diagnostic check. Either way, early recognition dramatically reduces risk. In the final part of this episode, we'll bring everything together. You'll learn why early awareness is far more valuable than repairs, how to prevent this system from entering long-term compensation mode, and how Audi owners who understand this process almost never experience sudden, expensive failures. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.